Welcome to our course on authority inspections and warning letters. This course is for anyone looking to step into a new set of responsibilities by gaining knowledge and skills in how to effectively manage external audits. This course is also for anyone who might be assigned to departments that manage this process, giving you new insights into the process. Pharmaceutical companies take authority inspections and audits very seriously because these audits can play a crucial role in whether a company can maintain licenses or the right to produce products. Audits can also provide companies with great insights and recommendations for improvements, or it can prevent and present some serious consequences. This course has been designed to guide you through the expected behaviours of an employee during an audit, what you can expect from the process, how to manage feedback loops and warnings, along with consequences of audit failures. So by the end of this course, you will be able to have a good background understanding as to why inspections were made mandatory in the industry, understand the process of being audited by an external authority, describe the audit planning process, including the development of audit teams and expected behaviours, clearly define what occurs during an auditor when they presented with documentation, and what to do if you are confronted with warrants and a warning letter. This course is essential for anyone working in a pharmaceutical company, so sign up today and add the CV and certification to your profile.